Hi dears, welcome back to our geography class. Last class what and all we discussed, did you remember that? Yes, very good, very good. You remember about celestial bodies, you remember about constellation, very good, very good, very good. So, today we are going to study about some other celestial bodies, that is planets. Did you hear about planets? In your 5th standard you studied something? Very good, very good. So, you know some names, right? So, in some details we will study in this class, okay? See, in the last class we studied that stars are having its own heat and light. Did you remember that? Yes. Did you ever think about the planets? Are they having their own heat and light? Very good. You know that the planets are not having their own heat and light, but they are getting the heat and the light from the stars. Very good. So, the planets are the celestial bodies which are not having its own heat and light. The planets will get the light from where? Yes, the planets are getting the light from the stars. Stars are having its own heat and light, but planets are not having its own heat and light. Yes, simple. Stars are having its own heat and light, planets are not having its own heat and light. Okay, but you know how many planets are there? Very good. 8 planets are there. You know its name in order? Some are telling correctly and some are having some confusion. Okay, we will make it clear in this class. Okay, before that, just think about the planets. The sun, the planets and some other objects are there. Can you see the picture? You can see the sun. You can see the planets. Can you see some other objects in the picture? Yes, some other objects are there which are known as asteroids and meteoroids. Okay, so the sun, the planets, the other objects like asteroids, meteoroids, all these are together known as the solar system. Okay, what is solar system? The sun, the planets. How many planets are there? Yes, 8 planets. So, the sun, the 8 planets, asteroids, meteoroids, together it is known as the solar system. So, we will study about the solar system in this class. Okay. Here are the names of the planets. All of you tell. Yes, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, yes, Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. By looking at the screen, you can tell it. If the screen is not there, can you tell it very easily? So, there is a small trick to study this. Just to learn a sentence which is about your mother. See, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. Okay, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. Just think about that sentence. And the first letter, my, M for, yes, Mercury. Very, V for, yes, very good, Venus. Efficient, your mother is so efficient, right? Yes, E for Earth. And mother, M for Mars. Easily. See, don't be confused with 2 M's. My, M for Mercury, that is the nearest planet to the sun. That you want to make it in your mind. Mercury is the first planet which is very near to the sun. So, Mars also having M. So, that M is for your mother. That is my very efficient mother. M for Mars. Okay. Then just Jupiter. J for Jupiter. Served. S for Saturn. Then us. U for Uranus. Nuts. N for Neptune. Okay. Then you can tell it very easily in its order. The order is according to the distance from the sun, which is the nearest planet to the sun. Yes, very good. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun, and which is the farthest planet to the sun? Yes, very good. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Okay. So we can just classify the planets into the inner planets and outer planets. The first 4 planets, you know, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These 4 planets are known as inner planets, and the other 4 planets, that is Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These 4 planets are known as outer planets. Okay, the first 4 planets, inner planets, and the other 4 planets, which is very far away from the sun, are known as outer planets. Okay, so just think about our Earth. What is the position? Mercury, Venus, Earth. What is the position? 1, 2, 3. Yes, third. Our Earth is the third one. Our Earth is the third planet in the solar system. Okay. Which is the first planet? Yes, Mercury. The second planet, Venus. And the third planet, Earth. Our Earth. Okay. So don't forget that. Okay. Our Earth is the third nearest planet from the sun. Now look at the picture. Can you see some orbits? The route or the path? Yes, that path through which the planets are revolving around the sun. That path is known as orbit. Okay. The orbit is the one through which the planets are revolving around the sun. On that path only the planets will move. They will not move as they like. As you are moving through the corridor. How you are moving through the corridor? Will you move in a correct order or in a correct line? No, never. Always we want to tell keep left, right? But the planets are not like that. They are very obedient. They will not deviate from their path. They are always revolving around the sun through the orbit. Okay, is it clear in the picture? Can you see some round lines? Yes, that lines are known as orbits. That are the paths through which the planets are revolving around the sun. Okay, the planets are not staying, in a correct position. They are not staying at one place. They are going on moving. Now we can discuss about our Earth. Did you ever think about our Earth? Our Earth is having some specialties among the other 7 planets. You know what are the specialties? Yes, our Earth is known as blue planet. Do you know what is the reason? Why our Earth is known as blue planet? Someone is telling. Who is that? Yeah, very good. Because we can see the Earth from the space in blue color. That is why it is known as blue planet. Why our Earth is seemed as blue in color from the space? In our Earth, when we are looking around, can we see the blue color? No. Then why? Why from the space it is in blue color? Somebody is telling. Yes, very good. Because from the space when we are looking at the Earth, we can see the blue color because our Earth contains water more. Than land, water is more in our Earth. That is why the color of the water seemed as blue from the space. We can see when we are drawing, sea or when we are drawing some water bodies, what color we are giving? We will always give the blue color, right? Because the sea we can see in blue color, right? So, our Earth is known as blue planet because 2 by 3rd of the Earth contains water. That is why the planet, our Earth is known as the blue planet. Okay. Another specialty of our Earth is known as unique planet. Why it is unique? Do you know the word meaning of unique? Yes, different from others. If we are telling he is very unique means he is totally different from others. Like that, our Earth is also a unique planet. What is this much specialty for our planet, for our Earth? Yes, life is there. Living things are there in Earth. No other planets contain living organisms. Only on Earth life is possible. Living or life is possible only on Earth. See, just think about our Earth. Our Earth is not too hot or not too cold. Okay, and life supporting gases. Which are the life supporting gases? You are studying in your science, right? Which is the gas which is very essential for our life? Yes, inhaling. Which one is needed? Which gas is needed? Ah yes, oxygen. Oxygen is available only on Earth. That is why the living organisms are here. Okay, so the life supporting gases are there. The Earth is not too hot or not too cold. And as we tell earlier, water is there. No other planets contain water, but in our Earth water is there. That is why life is so easy here. Okay, so what are the things why we are calling our Earth as a unique planet? Life supporting gases are there. Yes, water is available. Yes, very good. Our Earth is not too hot or too cold. That is why life is possible, and that is why we are telling our Earth is a unique planet. Just revise why the Earth is known as a blue planet. Very good, because 2/3 of our Earth contains water. And why our Earth is known as a unique planet? Yes, life is possible only on Earth. Simply we can tell life is there, so it is unique. No other planets are there which is where the life is possible. Only on Earth life is possible. Okay, so the Earth is known as a unique planet. The Earth is known as a blue planet. Okay, now we can just think about the other planets. We tell many points about our Earth. The other planets, what about the other planets? See, Mercury. What is the specialty of Mercury? Yes, the nearest planet to the Sun. The Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. And next, Venus. Do you know the specialties of Venus? No need of studying more. Just think that the Venus is known as our Earth's twin. What is twin? Twin brothers, twin sisters, you know. Yes, our Earth and the planet Venus is known as twins, because the size and by the look it is having some similarities. That is why the Venus is known as our Earth's twin. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? Yes, very good. Venus is known as Earth's twin. Okay, so which is the farthest planet from the Sun? Yes, Neptune. And you know which is the biggest planet? Which is the biggest planet? Do you know? Yes, I am getting some answers. Yes, Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet among the 8 planets. Okay, just think about these points. Which are the inner planets? Yes, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Which are the outer planets? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Which is the biggest planet? Yes, Jupiter. Which is the nearest planet to the Sun? Yes, Mercury. And which planet is known as Earth's twin? Yes, very good, Venus. So, we discussed some points about the planets today, right? Yes. See, the picture of the solar system is given in your textbook. Okay, it is there in your textbook. So, please copy that picture into your notebook. Okay, draw it neatly, color it neatly, and please make it clear the names of the planet and some specialties of the planets. Okay, we will discuss about the other points that in the solar system many other objects are also there. We want to discuss about meteoroids, asteroids, moon. Some points are there. So, that points we will discuss in the next class. Okay, see you later.